RX-0 egg breaker. 2,500 eggs per hour. New generation of egg breakers. Innovative knife mechanism minimizes the risk of cutting the yolk during breaking. (99% egg breaking effectiveness). Automatic feeder moves the eggs in optimal position for breaking. Functional separation buffer for broken yolk removal. (2,500 eggs per hour). After the separator is removed, the machine allows for breaking without separating yolks from whites. The RX series egg breakers have a small, compact design and are easy for assembly and disassembly. The RX egg breaker has an automatic, self-cleaning system. The machine can be washed with the use of detergents. A special rotating spray ball ensures precise cleaning of the machine interiors. The cleaning is simple and highly effective. RX-0 egg breaker.